Well, I did plan on trying to pick up shingles today and get this front shingled up. But I guess winter struck Minnesota once again. Of course, the deer don't seem to mind it at all. As you can see, I'm not at the cabin. It snowed a bit this morning, and I have to run and pick up shingles, so I figured I'd come out here and kill a little bit of time and let the roof melt off and stuff. So this here is Amity Creek up off the Seven Bridges Road, just north of Lester Park in Duluth, Minnesota. And this has been in a few of my videos in the past, but it's always been one of my favorite spots around Duluth. It's such a beautiful place that I figured I'd include it in this video. Seeing how with the weather that we've been having, I don't know how much I'm going to get done on the cabin. So, I hope you enjoy it. So anyhow, this road's closed from about November through May, just so they don't have to do maintenance on this about 3-mile stretch. So this time of year is quite peaceful out here, no vehicles driving through. Just kind of love these bridges. We've always known this as Seven Bridges Road down there, but apparently it's Skyline Parkway. Well, it's a little nicer morning today than it was yesterday. So after running down to Amity Creek and then to Menards, I had to do some grocery shopping and stuff. But I got the shingles, at least for this front half, and I decided I'm gonna go with this color for a drip edge. So I'm gonna pull off the old drip edge and use this color. It was just easier to match this than it is to match that musket. And I got what they call desert tan for a shingle color. I kind of want all natural tones of wood on this building, so with luck that'll all work. Okay guys, I got all the drip edge back on the face here and on the dormers up there. So next thing I'll do is start humping shingles up onto the roof there. I think it's about 7 square. 6.5 square on this face, so 21 bundles. When I was younger, that would have been no problem. But I'll take my time, get them up there, start shingling them. So stay tuned. Well, the big generator died. Let's see how long my compressor will work off the little guy. So when it's warm out, I generally use hook blade in my knife, but as the shingles are so cold, they're easier to cut with the snips. And all I try to do is hit that nail flange, keep them within an inch of the ends. You know, high wind areas, you should be doubling them up, but this isn't a high wind area, typically. And instead of 4 nailing, I always 5 or 6 nail, so should be plenty anyhow. Yeah, a lot of times I'll do it the same 6-inch setback, but I'll run it up to eve, which I'll probably switch out when I do around the dormers. But this way it's supposed to separate the pattern a little bit. We'll see if it really shows much more or not doing it the other way. Shingling tends to be pretty easy, fairly quick. It's just all the prep work that goes into it. You know, and then of course when your air compressor or your generator dies, that's never a good thing. But we'll get her. We will get it. Now we can do bird's eye views up here of the birds. They're hopping around. Okay guys, Time for more shingles up here, but you really got to love these. They go on pretty dang quick. They look pretty nice. Not quite as nice as what cedar shakes would have been, but we'll take them. Hook blade. Nice to use for that type of cutting. That didn't go too bad. I gotta start using shingle tins and tinning the walls as I go up. And then also gotta run these valleys first. I run these shingles from the dormer in through the valley and up the roof, and then the other ones go across and get cross cut. Oh, look at that, I got a little woodpecker in the feeder. Well, there's the start of shingling. We'll see how much more I can get done before I have to put this video together. But I myself think it's looking pretty good. I changed that drip edge this morning to a little bit lighter color. It'll kind of blend in better, I think, with the cedar fascia. And of course, I just got distracted again from that little red squirrel running around. Here are a few more pictures that Bruce Helverson sent me to use. The northern lights are taken from one of the local lakes around the area here. And here they all are this morning, out playing in the snow. What's the matter, girls? Yeah, I'm not sure what kind of tracks those are. I'm thinking it's a turkey, but I'm not quite sure. I'll have to look it up. Well guys, I was hoping to get out here and finish up this roof this morning before I attempted to work on a video. But as you see, Mother Nature decided to dump on us again. So I think what I'll do is go work on a video and get it out. And then see if the weather clears enough to get this thing finished, and I'll put a clip or two in the next video. But in the meantime, if you guys are liking how I've been kind of mixing these build videos up a little bit with some of the surrounding nature and stuff, let me know in the comments. I kind of like to include some of the scenery from around here, some of the wildlife and other things. But as you've seen from the prior clips this morning, I've had quite a few little visitors already. One sitting down there just waiting for me to leave. 4 others already have left. But their daily visits are getting to be awful nice. And then of course we got this little critter here. who seems to think this bird feeder is his personal trough. But part of nature. I enjoy it all. So anyhow, thanks for watching, everybody, and hope everybody's safe and taking care out there. And we will see you on the next one.